Hello everyone, and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake, and today we'll be doing the second weekly challenge prompt for this month, that word being picnic. Now I absolutely love picnics, so let's get into this drawing so I can go have one. So coming into this drawing, I used inspiration from the last time I went on a picnic, and it was kind of in farmland. The picnic table was underneath this really big tree right next to a fence where all the horses were running around. I really just did my best to try to remember what it all looked like from the top of my head. I think I pulled it off decently well though. This piece I did focus on mainly just using the pencils for the whole thing, but I did come through and make some really deep blacks with the pens, and then did a little wash over the sky with the charcoal pencils. I was making this piece on one of the nicest days this week, so I was really tempted to honestly put my pencils down for a little bit and go have an actual picnic, but that didn't end up actually happening. But anyways, I am going to be quiet and let you guys enjoy this piece, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it, our completed piece using the word picnic. Now I think this turned out really cute, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure, they're gonna be right on the bottom there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you like my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!